Okay, hello. Welcome to what is essentially going to be like daily analysis on what I'll be looking out for in the market for that particular day. Okay, so I have three pairs here. I'll be trading the US30, I'll also be trading the gold, and then I'll be trading GBPUSD. All right, so these are the three pairs I have traded ever since I started trading. I'm not sure there's any other one I've not included. Okay, except at the beginning I used to trade all these Euro JPY, GBP JPY, I think at some point I traded AUD, USD and all. So but over time I figured that these three pairs can serve me, which is why I'll be trading them. By the way, I added the US30 to the list just this year, but before now it has been gold and sometimes GBPUSD. But for the purpose of fund management and all, I'm going to be trading the three pairs, and therefore I'll do my daily analysis based on them. So here we go now. I'll be starting with the first one here, which is GBPUSD, also known as the cable. Alright, so this is the daily. Well, I'm actually an intraday trader, so I'm not looking for so much out of the market, and I trade only support and resistance. So I think I'm going to be taking note of this level here, and I would also be taking note of maybe this level here. Okay, let me see, what's this range? $50 pips. Okay, well, it's all right. I'll see how it looks on the 4 hour, then I'll make the adjustment accordingly. So this on the daily. I mean, obviously the daily has been on a downtrend, so that means that sells, we have more momentum. Okay, so this is good. I will not be putting this zone into consideration again. I think I'll be looking at this level instead. Just because of this area here. You see, we have this touch over here, right? Then we also have this touch over here. All right, so if we break that level, I may be considering somewhere here. Depends on the momentum the market comes with to that level. Okay, so that about that. As far as GBPUSD is concerned, maybe these are the levels I'll be watching out for today. Okay, so when I go down to the hourly, what do we have here? Okay, so you can see as for the hourly, there was probably a trading opportunity around here earlier on, which of course I missed because I was not there when it happened. So but you can see this congestion on the hourly is enough reason to take a sell from here. But we'll see if the market will give us a kind of a retest to this level. Then we can now decide to short to this level here, or even to this level here, as the case may be. Okay, so that's about GBPUSD. So those are the levels I'll be looking out for. And then the next pair we have here is the US30. I'll be looking at the 4 hour first. I'm sorry, let me start with the daily. Okay, so on the daily, we have a level here. Daily has also been on a downtrend, even though it seems to be hitting a resistance. I'm sorry, even though daily has been on a downtrend, and even though it seems to be hitting a support at this point here. Okay, so for today, I think I'll be watching for these levels, or since this is US30 is very volatile, let me see if this level here means anything on the 4 hour. So go to the 4 hour. Okay, I think it means something on the 4 hour. So I'll be taking note of that level also, and then I'll also be taking note of this level for today. Well, I think I will not be taking I'll be taking into consideration this level. I'll be adjusting this one to this place here because of this level here. As you can see, we have this, this looks more valid to me than this place, and besides, this just happened today, so it's not a zone yet, as it were. So we'll be watching out to see what happens when the market gets to do this level or this level. If it breaks this level and it gives us a reason for continuation, then we'll continue up onto this level. Okay, so but for now, we'll just be trading within this range to see what happens. Okay, so let's go to gold. Gold is actually my favorite pair anyway. Okay, so on the gold, this is the 4 hour. Do I even need to go to the daily? Anyway, let's just see. Okay, so I'll be trading from this level, and then I'll also be taking note of this level here on gold. Okay, so let's see what it looks like on the 4 hour. All right, 4 hour, I'll be looking at this. No, in fact, I'll be looking at this level, and then let me adjust this accordingly. Let's take it a little bit up here. Like I say, if it breaks this level, which is what I am hoping it should do. The reason being that you can see this is a strong momentum here. This candle here is a very strong momentum. You get it? And then the market has not been able to take even half of it. So that means that there's every time you see that this level here may be broken. So what I will be doing, however, is I'll be waiting until this level is broken. I will not take a trade. On the contrary, if it goes to this level, I'll be looking for a sell from here. But if it comes to this level, I'll wait to see how it closes around this level. If it is a strong momentum, then I'll just be holding my peace, okay? Because actually my bias is to the downside. But again, I'm not married to any bias, so this is what it is going to be like on this particular pair. All right, so I think that's about that. If there are any changes even within the day, I'll still make a short video and then I'll let you guys know what's going on. Okay, so if you like this analysis and then you would like to get notified when I drop some of this analysis, you can just you can subscribe to the channel, you can like the video, and if you feel like sharing, you can still go ahead and share. So this is the account we're using, is $1,000. And the goal for the account is to make at least 100% every month, and yes, I'll not be risking more than 1 to 2% per trade. Okay, so that's why I have volatile pairs here, so that the goal can be achievable. So if you want to know how this account goes, you want to know whether or not I'm able to hit this target at the end of the time, feel free to, of course, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and then you will definitely get to know how far with the account every time I drop the updates. Cheers, and I'll see you again. Bye bye.